Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a small but mighty superfood that you should consider adding to your daily diet: walnuts. These unassuming nuts are packed with an array of health benefits that can truly transform your well-being. So, let's dive right into why you should make walnuts a daily part of your diet. 1. Nutritional. First and foremost, walnuts are a nutritional powerhouse. They are rich in essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Omega-3s, in particular, are vital for brain health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating walnuts into your daily diet can provide a convenient source of these essential fatty acids. 2. Heart. One of the most significant benefits of consuming walnuts daily is their positive impact on heart health. Studies have shown that walnuts can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts play a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood vessels, reducing blood pressure, and preventing the formation of blood clots. 3. Weight. If you're looking to maintain or lose weight, walnuts can be your secret weapon. Despite being calorie-dense, walnuts are incredibly satisfying and can help control your appetite. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in walnuts keeps you feeling full for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. 4. Brain. Walnuts are often referred to as brain food for a reason. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in walnuts can help improve cognitive function and protect your brain from age-related diseases. Regular consumption may boost memory and enhance overall brain health. 5. Antioxidant. Walnuts are a rich source of antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help fight free radicals in the body. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases, but antioxidants in walnuts help neutralize them, promoting overall health and reducing the risk of various illnesses. 6. Gut health. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and walnuts can contribute to gut health too. They are a good source of fiber, which promotes a diverse and healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, a strong immune system, and even better mood. 7. Diabetes. If you're concerned about diabetes or managing your blood sugar levels, walnuts can be a valuable addition to your diet. Some studies suggest that the nutrients in walnuts can help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for individuals with diabetes. Conclusion. In conclusion, incorporating walnuts into your daily diet can offer a plethora of health benefits. From heart health and brain function to weight management and gut health. These small but mighty nuts can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. So, whether you sprinkle them on your morning yogurt, toss them in a salad, or simply snack on a handful, making walnuts a part of your daily routine is a delicious way to invest in your health. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into health and nutrition. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on